Hi, and welcome to Eats with Casino Joe. This evening we're joining Joe and Miss Victoria for dinner at the Rock Hill Diner. We're really glad you've joined us. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like the video and subscribe to check out our other restaurant reviews. We hope you enjoy dinner with us.
Rock Hill Diner. Let's get in here. Taking Miss Victoria to dinner. This place, I haven't been here in 3 years. They are busy. All right, we got to get a seat. Let's see what we got.
Go and black eyed peas. Oh, let me get your cornbread and your rolls. To go? Okay, I'll bring you to go.
I'll eat some of yours. That looks good. Black eyed peas. Grilled chicken over rice with green peppers and onions and gravy. Yum, yum, yum. Looking good, folks. Looking good.
Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.